Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today class question number 6. Exercise 1.2. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3. B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. And let F equal to f का मतलब फंक्शन इक्वल टू 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. These are our ordered pair. Be a function from A to B. So that function f is 1, 1. Okay. Here question number 6. You have to show that it is an 1, 1 function. Okay. A, B. In set A, 1, 2, 3. In set B, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. 1 is related to 4, 2 is related to 5, 3 is related to 6. ठीक है. Now for checking whether it is 1, 1, see here, every domain you have to check the domain. In domain every element is has its own image. Okay, therefore here it is an 1, 1 function. Okay, question number 6 completed. Question number 7. Here, in each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1, 1, onto or bijective. Justify your answer. Subdivision 1. Function such that real number to real number defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Given f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Okay. Real number to real number का मतलब -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Same here, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. ठीक है. If I take 0, x equal to 0, here 3 minus 4 into 0 equal to 4 into 0 is 0. Therefore, f of 0 equal to 3 is nothing but y. Here it is small x, here y. For 0, here it is 3. Okay, next I am taking x equal to 1. F of 1 equal to 3 minus 4 ones are 4. If you subtract, put the greater number sign, -1. Therefore, plus 1 equal to -1. Okay. If I take x equal to 2, f of 2, 3 minus here 2, 4 2s are 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5. Put the greater number sign. Here greater number is 8. Therefore, for plus 2 here -5. Okay. Next, x equal to -1. F of -1 is equal to 3. Here -4 into -1. Minus into minus plus. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay. Therefore, for -1 here it is 7. Okay, therefore here it is function is 1 1. It is 1 1 function. For checking 1 1, you have to check the domain. In the domain, it is every element of the real number, it is will be filled. Okay, therefore here it is 1 1 function. Next, checking onto. For onto, you have to take f of x equal to y here. Therefore y equal to 3 minus 4x. Therefore 4x should be in positive. Okay, I am moving to this side, left hand side. Okay, minus it will become plus. Okay, equal to 3 here, plus y becomes minus y. Okay, finally I need x equal to 3 minus y divided by 4. Okay, for every value of y, okay, if I take any real number, it will become again x become a real number. Therefore here in codomain, okay, in the codomain the every element will be filled because it is a real number. Okay, therefore here it satisfy onto function. Okay, if it satisfies both 1 1 and onto, then it is bijective. Okay, if it is satisfy 1 1 and onto, it is bijective function. Okay, next, subdivision 2. In subdivision 2, function such that real number to real number defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, here also I am taking given f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, here real number to real number, I am taking only few examples: minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Here minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, here for checking it is whether 1 1 or many to 1. Here first I am taking x equal to 0. Okay, in x equal to 0, if I apply 1 plus 0 square, 0 squared equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 1. If I take 0 here, it will become 1. Okay, if I take x equal to minus 1, f of minus 1 equal to 1 plus minus 1 the whole square. If I squaring minus 1, it will become only plus 1. Okay, in squaring if I take both plus or minus, it will comes out only the positive values. Okay, the negative values will never come. Okay, for squaring, therefore 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Again x equal to plus 1 I am taking, f of 1, here 1 plus 1 the whole square, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus 1 equal to again 2. Therefore here see here, for minus 1 here it is 2, for plus 1 also 2. Therefore here it is clearly many to 1 function. Okay, minus 1 and plus 1 have same images. Okay, therefore here it is not 1 1 function. नॉट 1 1 फंक्शन का मतलब हियर इट इज मेनी टू 1. ठीक है. दूसरा कंडीशन ऑन टू, चेकिंग वेदर इट इज एन ऑन टू और नॉट. एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू y. Okay, therefore y equal to 1 plus x square. Here I need only x in left hand side, therefore x squared equal to y minus 1. Here it is plus 1, the plus 1 comes this side, it is minus 1, therefore x is equal to root of y minus 1. Okay, therefore here it is root irrational, therefore here it is not an onto. Otherwise simply you can check here, see the codomain. Okay, for checking whether it is an onto or not, you can check the codomain. This is my codomain. In the codomain, minus 1 and minus 2 has no pre-image. Okay, because for minus 1 and plus 1 both having the same value of 2. Okay, therefore the minus 1 and minus 2 in the codomain has no pre-image, therefore minus 1 minus 2 up to minus infinity, okay, has no pre-image. ठीक है, has no pre-image का मतलब here it is not onto function. ठीक है, not onto का मतलब here it is an into function. Okay, here it is not satisfying both the 1 1 function and onto function. Here it is not bijective. Okay, bijective का मतलब it should satisfy both 1 1 function and onto function. Okay, but here it is not satisfy 1 1 and onto, therefore here it is not a bijective function. Okay, I hope question number 7 it is clear. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. धन्यवाद.